Speed Eraser. Sa dami ng lapis na ginagawa taon-taon, kaya nitong libutin ang mundo more than 60 times. Dalawa ang silbi ng lapis, panulat at pambura. Sa challenge na ito, susubukan ng contestant patalbugin ang lapis papunta sa nakahilerang mga baso. Kailangang ulitin ito ng 5 beses. Kapag hindi ito nagawa sa loob ng 1 minute, ay maaari kang ma-eliminate.
Sam, this is Speed Eraser. Okay? You have a minute to win it. Good luck.
Let's go, bro!
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
So far, pinakamagaling dito si Rico J. Puno. One.
Yes! What? Yeah!
45 seconds.
You got lots of time, bro. Yeah!
Last one.
You got it.
30 seconds.
Before complete.
Nagawa mo yun in 35 seconds and meron ka ng 50,000 pesos!
Manalo ka ng 50,000 pesos.
Sabi mo nga, new day! Napakaganda na yung simula. 75,000 pesos. Pag lumaban ka at nanalo ka sa next level na yan, you are guaranteed 75,000 pesos. You have 1 life left. You wanna win it? Or win out with your 50,000 pesos?
Win it, syempre.
Let's win it! Here is your level 5 blueprint.
Sticky balls. Sa challenge na ito, kailangang pagulungin ng contestant sa isang flat surface ang mga glass marbles para dumikit ang 5 holen sa double-sided tape na nasa kabilang dulo. Kapag masyadong mabagal ang holen, siguradong ito'y bitin. Kapag naman masyadong mabilis, siguradong lalampas at malayo-layo ang pupulutin. Kapag hindi ito nagawa sa loob ng 1 minute, ay maaari kang ma-eliminate.
Sticky balls. The sticky balls, you have a minute to win it. Good luck.
Focus, man.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
5 balls ang kailangan sa sticky balls. Medyo masyadong malakas yung bitaw niya. "40 seconds. One.
Sam, don't push it. Let it roll.
25 seconds. Ten.
Throw him out! Throw him out! Just throw him out, bro!
Your game is over.
Sam, game over. But mag-uwi ka pa rin ng 5,000 pesos.
Thank you!
Hey, thank you very much. Na-enjoy ka naman?
Enjoy, sobra. Sayang talaga, oh.
Ang lapit sana. Dito kailangan eksaktong-eksakto. Thank you very much to everyone with you. Sam, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Go home with 5,000 pesos. Sam Concepcion, everyone.
Thank you.